జై శ్రీకృష్ణ. స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఫిజిక్స్ ట్యూటర్ 2363. ఈరోజు మనం గ్రావిటేషన్ చాప్టర్ ని రివిజన్ చేద్దాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. వాట్ ఈస్ సెంట్రిపిటల్ ఫోర్స్? ద ఫోర్స్ that causes acceleration and keeps the body moving along a circular path is called centripetal force. The other name of centripetal force is center seeking force. In the absence of centripetal force, what is the direction of stone in the given figure? The stone flies off along a straight line. Define tangent. A straight line that meets the circle at one and only point is called a tangent to the circle. If there is no force of attraction between the earth and the moon, what happens? The moon pursues a uniform straight motion. Define gravitational force. All objects in the universe attract each other. This force of attraction between the objects is called gravitational force. What is the universal law of gravitation? The force of attraction between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses, that is F proportional to m1 and m2, and the force of attraction between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, that is F proportional to 1 by d square. F proportional to m1 m2 and F proportional to 1 by d square. This is called universal law of gravitation. What is the formula for deducing force of gravity between two objects? F is equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. The value of G, universal gravitational constant, is 6.673 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Who found the value G? The value of G was found by Henry Cavendish. The mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. The mass of the moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power of 22 kg. The distance between the Earth and the moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers. What is the importance of universal law of gravitation? The universal law of gravitation successfully explained the force that binds us to the Earth, the motion of the moon around the Earth, the motion of planets around the sun, and finally the tides due to the moon and the sun. The tides due to the moon and the sun. What is free fall? Whenever objects fall towards the Earth under gravitational force alone, we say that the objects are in free fall. What changes may occur during free fall of an object? During free fall, there will be change in velocity. Define acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration due to Earth's gravitational force is called acceleration due to gravity. Write the relation between small g and capital G. Small g is equal to capital Gm by r square. The value of small g is 9.8 meters per second square. Which of the following is constant? Mass. Define weight. The force of attraction of the Earth on an object is known as the weight of the object. W is equal to mg. W is equal to mg. What are the SI units of weight? Newton. The moon exerts lesser force of attraction on objects. Why? The mass of the moon is less than that of Earth. What is the relation between WE and WM? WE is weight on earth, WM is weight on moon. WM is equal to WE by 6. What is the direction of weight? Vertically downwards. Define thrust. The force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. Define pressure. The thrust on unit area is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. Pressure equals to force by area. What are the SI units of pressure? Newton per meter square or Pascal. Why a nail has pointed tip, knives have sharp edges and buildings have wide foundation? Because the force acting on a smaller area exerts large pressure. What is buoyant force? The upward force exerted by the fluid on the bottle is known as upthrust or buoyant force. On any object on the bottle, on any object, on which factor buoyant force depends? The density of the fluid, an iron nail sinks and a cork floats when placed on the surface of water. Why? This happens because of the difference in their densities. Define density. Mass per unit volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. What is the criteria of sinking or floating of an object in a fluid? The objects of density less than that of a liquid float on the liquid. The objects of density greater than that of a liquid sink in the liquid. ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ కి అయితే లిక్విడ్ యొక్క డెన్సిటీ కన్నా తక్కువ డెన్సిటీ ఉంటుందో అవి ఫ్లాట్ అవుతాయి, లిక్విడ్ డెన్సిటీ కన్నా ఎక్కువ డెన్సిటీతో ఉన్నవి సింక్ అవుతాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్రైటీరియా ఆఫ్ సింకింగ్ ఆర్ ఫ్లోటింగ్. స్టేట్ ఆర్కిమిడీస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. When a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. When a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. This is called Archimedes' principle. Write the applications of Archimedes' principle. Archimedes' principle is used in designing ships and submarines, lactometer, which are used to determine the purity of a sample of milk, hydrometers used for determining the density of liquids. ఈ పాయింట్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా పాజ్ చేసుకుని నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంతటితో మనకి 9th క్లాస్ చాప్టర్ అయిన గ్రావిటేషన్ రివిజన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి, ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటాయి. Thanks for watching.